Hey everybody, welcome back to Zach Tech Reviews. On this channel we look at tech, mobile accessories, and gadgets, and I'm always on the look for new takes on existing technology, and I'm a really big fan of wireless charging. I'm also a really big fan of portable power and different types of portable power solutions, shapes and looks of different portable battery banks and whatnot. And here we have iOttie doing their take of their Ion wireless charging pad. So this is their wireless charging pad, but you can also integrate their power pack right here with the wireless charger. So I wanted to give you guys a quick look at this and how it works and whatnot. So first, let's take a look at the wireless charger here. You can see here this won a CES Innovation Award back in 2016. And as you can see here, you get the charging pad, you get the cord, and of course, you can see there's the optional power pack, which we have right here that can plug into this as well. So let's go ahead and open this up. Inside, you're gonna get basic instructions here. Of course, the Ion charging pad. Looks like we have a power brick, and looks like micro USB to USB-A charging cable. Let's go ahead and plug this in and we'll try it out. The iOttie Ion wireless charging pad is now plugged into my power brick right here. I'll leave a link for this down below. You guys go ahead and pick one up if you want. And let's go ahead and pop on my Galaxy S9 Plus. And sometimes you gotta line up the coils just right. And there it goes right there. So let's take a quick look here. You can see that we're getting charging wirelessly. I'm gonna pick this up here so you guys can see this. Charging wirelessly. So you will not get fast wireless charging out of this, but you will get just regular wireless charging. So again, take the phone off, put it on, and it should start charging. Boom, just like that. So, and I do have a basic TPU clear case on here right now. I'll leave a link for this as well. One of my favorite, very minimal. This one right here is from Blue Element. Go ahead and check that out. That's for the Galaxy S9 Plus. So in addition to the wireless charging pad here, you can also add on this power pack. So let's go ahead and pop this open. This is sold separately. So with the power pack, you obviously get the power pack and a micro USB to USB power charging cord. The battery capacity on here is 3,400 milliamps, which is actually 100 milliamps less than the capacity of the Galaxy S9 Plus. So not even a full charge, but look how small that is. You could definitely put that in your pocket along with your cord and go out for the night. Wouldn't be too bulky at all. There are two different ways you can charge the power pack here. You can obviously plug it in with the micro USB to USB cable here and charge it that way. Or, as I said before, you can actually pair it up here with the Ion charging pad here. And what you do is, as you can see with the directions on top here, on the front here, if we flip this over, you'll see there's some little teeth right here. And on the bottom of the power pack here are some connectors right there. What you do is you basically just slide that in like that. It connects and now it's charging. You go ahead and check your power just like that. So when you're at home or at the office, wherever you have the Ion charge station here, basically put your phone on top, charging wirelessly, and then when you need to go, take your phone off, pop this out from the back. All you do is push it through with your fingers. This slides right out and you've got yourself a portable power pack. So for connection type on here, it is USB type A. So my recommendation would be to pick up a nice anchor cable like this, and I'll leave a link down below. These are nice braided cables here, and we'll go ahead and plug this in, see what kind of charging we're getting on this, and plug this into the Galaxy S9, and turn off the intelligence scan there. And again, just regular charging. You're not going to get fast charging, but again, a nice solution right there. So you're going to have wireless charging, portable power charging, all in a nice tight little unit there. It feels good. It's got a really nice build quality, a nice soft touch. You got this rubberized grip right here so your device won't slip off, and the power pack is nice and slim, feels good in the hands. Nice indicator lights there with the LEDs, and overall I'm going to say that's a great value. Links will be down below for everything you guys have seen here. Go ahead and pick one up for yourself. I think it's a great solution, especially if you have a phone that supports wireless charging. And go ahead and give it a try. And leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've tried this out or something that's similar. If you guys like the content here, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting the subscribe button as well. And we'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Cheers.